This is the standard sample. The sample size is 300 by 300 millimeters and 27 millimeters in height. Place the standard sample in the workbench. Align the main sample with the template. Open the host computer software. Click Test. Connect the device. Then, set the parameters. The hot plate temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. The cold plate temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. The heating rate is 5 degrees per minute. Sample pressure is 0.1 kilopascal. Click Settings to exit. Click to close the experimental cabin door. When the instrument makes a beep sound, it means the settings are successful. The instrument automatically measures the sample thickness and automatically pressurizes the sample. After the beep sound ends, click Start Experiment. When the temperature difference between the set hot and cold fluctuates by 0.01 degrees Celsius, the experiment ends. The instrument will automatically calculate the thermal conductivity.